Repair leaking pipes and hoses with Wurth's Instant Repair Tape. Even flexible objects can be permanently fused together. Tool handles become instantly non-slip and easy to grip. You can even repair cracks and leaks underwater with no trouble. Wurth's Instant Repair Tape is particularly resistant to intense heat and cold. Very easy to use. First, unroll the length you require. Then, peel off the backing from the repair tape. Make sure that the instant repair tape is stretched and kept taut as you wrap it around a pipe. Once in place, it is self-amalgamating and completely leak-proof. To remove the repair tape, simply cut it with a knife. Wurth's Instant Repair Tape, the ideal help for repairs and seals.